Ever wonder how you can enjoy a Reese's cup even more? Let's take the flavor profiles of chocolate and peanut butter to create a salty and sweet match made in heaven, and let's transform it into a macaron. So stay tuned to see how you can create this at home with only a few ingredients. Let's dive into the science of what makes this treat so iconic. This is an example of a dynamic sensory contrast that basically means opposites attract. In Reese's, it applies to both the flavor and texture. While the chocolate is sweet and smooth, the peanut butter is salty and crumbly. Let's make the chocolate ganache. I used 275 grams of milk chocolate and 25 grams of semi-sweet, adding a teaspoon of corn syrup to increase a silky texture, a pinch of sea salt, add 130 grams of heavy cream, 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Heat it in the microwave with 30-second increments until the chocolate is fully melted. Mix until smooth, then chill until set. Next up, we're going to create the iconic peanut butter filling. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and add 4.5 ounces of your favorite peanut butter. Heat it in the microwave until the butter is fully melted. Give it a good stir to fully incorporate the ingredients. Add half a cup of powdered sugar. Give it a quick mix. Then half a cup of powdered graham crackers. The crackers give that crumbly texture and a nice addition to flavor. Now, I've come to realize that the Reese's filling has quite the salty flavor, so it's completely up to you on how much you add. I added about 1 teaspoon of sea salt. And there you have it. You have successfully created Reese's as a macaron filling. Pipe the chocolate ganache border inside the shell. Then add your peanut butter filling and enjoy. Oh, and happy Halloween!